everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today we wanted to share with you how to make miniature hamburgers and french fries and Coke. Quite recently we tried the hamburger and we found this really tasty. How many of you have tried this? Please comment. Compared to the other products, this one tastes like the real hamburgers. It's savory. It's quite fun to make, easy yet delicious. Kids love this. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. This kit is really easy. You just need to mix water and powder.
はい、ハンバーグの素を入れます。どこまで？
Understand.
ほら、泡が出てるね。溢れてくる。
やばい。なんかいい匂い。お、泡がなくなった。
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
おいしいし。
うわ、すごい一口で食べちゃった。
チャンネル登録お願いします。